Linking with a formula. On our conversation on Paste Special feature in Excel 2010, this is not necessarily the single way to link data. We can also use a formula to link the data. It will do precisely the same thing as our Paste Special paste link has accomplished. In this illustration, I'm going to simply type in an equal sign. When I type in an equal sign, I'm going to go to the cell that comprises of the data that I want. While on that cell, I'm going to hit the Enter key. When I go back to the destination cell, you'll see it says equal C4, which means whatever changes in cell C4 changes in the linked cell also. Of course, just as we were able to link to another worksheet, we can use this method within Excel also. This time, I'll go to Sheet 2. On Sheet 2, I will again start with the equal sign and then go to where the originating data is. I'll switch over to Company Sales. Switch over to the cell and think of we hit Enter while still on the origination cell. I'll hit Enter, take me back to Sheet 2 and notice exactly the same syntax that we've worked with in Paste Special. Name of the spreadsheet exclamation mark, name of the cell range. I go back to Company Sales and I change the number just as we saw happen in Paste Special. It changed on our first sheet and it changed on our second sheet. This also holds exact with our workbook. One more time, I'm going to go to the View menu, switch windows and switch over to another worksheet. Remember, each time it's essential to start where you want the results to be. So I had to go to the new worksheet within the new workbook. Here's where I'll actually hit the equal sign. Now I want to go back to where the originating data is. I'll utilize Switch Windows to switch back to Sample. I'll select the cell again, noticing that the syntax has changed on the formula bar. Now it's showing me in the formula bar that it's the Sample Worksheet, Company Sales tab, cell C4. While still on this cell, I'll hit Enter and my data appears now on my new workbook. As we used Paste Special, you can also use your equal sign. They both accomplish precisely the same thing. Choose the method that you're most comfortable with.